To resolve the setup error encountered in Google Opinion Rewards, a simple two-step process can be followed. First, clear all app and cache data for Google Opinions. There are numerous tutorials available that provide step-by-step instructions on how to do this for various phone models, so it's easy to find guidance tailored to your specific device. The second step involves removing your Google account from your phone on a Samsung device. For example, this can be done by going to Settings, then Accounts and Backup, followed by Managing Accounts, selecting your Gmail address, and removing the account. Once the account is removed, resigning into Google Opinions will prompt the system to treat it as if it's the first time you're signing in from your device with that Gmail account. Upon completing these steps, access to rewards should be restored. By following these straightforward steps, the setup error in Google Opinion Rewards can be effectively fixed.